Earlier this year, MSA sponsored a workshop in conjunction with O2X to promote firefighter health and safety, the theme being Eat, Sweat, and Thrive. As part of the submission process, departments had to describe why they were interested in this program, and overall, Miami-Dade Fire Rescue was selected.
O2X is a human performance company that was designed to put the science behind the practice. So first interacting with fire departments, understanding the challenges they face, whether it's how they train, what they eat, how they recover, and trying to understand what type of evidence we have to endorse certain practices, and they may help them gain an advantage.
What we're trying to provide Miami-Dade Fire and Rescue this week is a one-day package. So we're beginning off starting the day with a prepare, sweat, recover. We're also doing risk reduction and injury prevention, nutrition and fueling for performance, and then sleep health as well. And the goal is to be able to help the participants within that workshop to be able to make 1% changes in their lifestyle to get a better performance in their outcome.
I've been learning a lot concerning nutrition and mobility, so that's been very helpful.
I thought it was great. I think it needs to be implemented in what we do every day.
The experience has been great so far. There's been a lot of knowledge given, a lot of things to learn and to apply to, to my everyday life.
The sleep thing is critical for me because I have problems sleeping, and I'm pretty sure it comes from the job. Just learning about the sleep and how I can get proper rest is critical. It benefited me a lot.
A bunch of us will take this back to our stations and be able to share it with our coworkers and hopefully push them in the right direction to be better for themselves and their families.
I think this is a great tool for first responders, the privilege of being able to get this class. It's really nice, so very thankful to MSA for being able to make this happen.